Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you very briefly two tools for annotating online. First will be Scribble and the next one is called Diigo. So I have here two copies of the article Advice to Teachers, What Do Young People Have to Say About Writing by my good friend Ann David and some of her colleagues. And I'll briefly show you what annotation looks like in each of these. So we'll start with Scribble. You'll see I've bookmarked the Scribble site here on my bookmarks bar. And when I press this button, the toolbar opens up at the bottom. Now if I wasn't signed in, it would make me sign in here. You can see I can sign out. But I can annotate, add sticky notes, change the color of text, underline, or undo what I've just done. So I'll briefly show annotating. I'm not going to read this through right now. I can change the color of text, and I can underline, or add a sticky note. All right. Now, let me show you Diigo. I have here the icon, the extension for Diigo installed, and if I click that, it allows me to read and annotate the site. And there is no toolbar here, but what I can do is highlight text, and it allows me to highlight the text a certain color, add a comment, or to post a quote to social media, which it actually does not appear to be working, but you can post to social media using that button. So those are the very basics of how these tools function. Keep it short here. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good day.